What's good, YouTube? Just a Farm here. Today for you guys got an unboxing of a Garmin Drive Smart 61 GPS, guys. It's with the lifetime maps updates and everything. The North America, guys. I'm in Canada. I bought this on Amazon.ca for Prime Day deals, guys. It was, I think, $80 off for like $210 Canadian, which is not bad. I was going with the smaller one from Canadian Tire, but I ended up just returning that one because this one was cheaper and it was on sale, so it was worth it, guys. So let's quickly open this one bad boy up. On the back, there's simple stuff. You guys can see, got like North America there and just shows you lifetime maps and everything. The difference between this one and the other one is that this one has no bezel, which gives it the full out display and stuff, and it splits it and whatnot. And this is the Drive Smart instead of the I think it was just a Garmin Drive model without the Smart. That was one I had before. So let's open this thing up. Right away, you guys can see I'm doing this backwards, so it's a little bit harder. You guys can see, you guys can get the GPS right there. It's nice, beautiful and stuff. Let's peel this off. Peel that off. You got your welcome screen right there. You can peel this off as well, guys. Got that off. Wow, it's already looking way better than that one. I like how it's Garmin there instead of the bottom thing. This is gonna look nice, guys. Let me power this thing up. Or here, you can power it up real quickly. Let's see if it powers up on camera.
It's a quick click, I believe.
I did a quick click. Here, you can figure that out. Let me just show them the rest of that. So what else comes in the box, guys? You open this up. You got your 12 volt car power charging cable, guys, which is definitely important. It comes with all GPSs most of the time. You got your windshield slash some dash mounting, depending on, by some dash meaning universal dashes. If you guys got a real like those fake wood finishes on some of those cheaper cars and whatnot, you guys can probably attach it to that, which would be the simulated glass mirror style finish. It'll definitely stick on those. Otherwise, you can stick it on windows and stuff. I'm gonna be sticking it on the Escalade sunroof, which is gonna be really nice, guys. We got a little information book for updating and just manual and stuff like that. And it comes with the USB cable, standard USB mini USB cable to plug into the GPS and into your computer for updating for the lifetime maps, guys. So that's pretty much it.
This thing's completely dead right now.
Everything in the box. So this thing's completely dead, like my brother said, guys. That's pretty much it. We'll get this thing fired up, and I'll be showing you guys that in a different video for a review of this after I use it for a little bit and see how well it actually is, guys, for driving and how far we can actually go. Let's see if it really makes a difference and stuff, and the actual signal dead zones work. So I'll show you guys the Rogers, right? If it shows a dead zone on the GPS on Google Maps, and we'll see if the GPS doesn't show a dead zone in some of the rural areas where we live here in Cowden.
Yeah,
in Brampton or somewhere else, you guys wouldn't really be able to pick that up, but here in the rural areas, we really have a lot of rural spots where GPSs don't work at all. So let's see if this one works. And yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And make sure you guys check out my other YouTube videos too, guys. I'm going to be having more unboxings of so many more cool, awesome things coming this summer, guys. Take care.